What's up, everybody? I'm just gonna give you 10-minute live before that new Kompa track comes out. Gente, que live ali para 10 minutos. Só para informar nós. Dili 10 minutos que o novo som. Sabe na Bo Kompa tá sai. What's up, Maria? Check out that new song at 12. What's up, Margarita?
Hello, DJ Nana. Oi.
Once again, the reason for this live is just to let you know that 12 p.m. in about 8 minutes, this song right here will be released. DJ Nana, Sabi Nabo, Passada Barbosa and Dumat. Don't forget to go and like that video. The name of the song is called Sabi Nabo. In English is technically delicious in you or good in you. I'm gonna play it one more time. The song is way too good. Thanks from Cisco. Don't forget to like and share with your friends. Gente, escreve para nós tudo. Que ele só leta sair de ali 6 minutos. Sabe, na boa. Casando que fazer aquele música para nós. Para aquele suporte. What's up, Zita Costa? Quatrivida.
Noite me toja, minha sonho. Tá chiquito que dibu corpo nari meu. Se é feitiço ou magia.
Francisco, hit me up on Instagram. We'll talk.
Sai de minha sonho, bem pra minha mundo, crepejabo.
Firmino, this song is for you guys. What's up, Blindy? 12 o'clock, you can watch the whole video and have it on blast at work. I made a song for all my Cape Verdeans, French, my Haitian followers, and for everybody else. What's up, Nick and your boy? And just so you know, the video has lyrics in it. You can sing in Creole, in English, and French. The song has it all.
Alô, DJ Nana. Oi. No baile. Me compa.
Mas logo, então mais um live para nós. Deus sabe entre nós. Tchau. Guys, thank you once again. See you soon.